Conquest offers the ability for the advisor to create multiple versions of a plan, called plan alternatives. We can then run live comparisons between two plan alternatives, or run the strategy comparison tool to compare two or more plan alternatives side by side. Let's explore these features using a simple example. We'll start by creating a plan alternative. On the planning page, the plan alternatives and comparison tools appear at the top center of the screen. In the selected plan drop-down, our initial solved plan is named Recommended. We can change the name to something more descriptive by clicking on the three-dot menu and choosing Rename. We'll change the name of this initial plan to Retire at 65. When we are ready to create plan alternatives, we can easily duplicate this plan. From the Comparing With drop-down, we choose Duplicate Plan. We'll call the duplicated plan Retire at 60 and Downsize, then choose Save. You'll notice that our newly duplicated plan alternative becomes the selected plan, while the initial plan, Retire at 65, becomes the Comparing With plan. We can now add or remove strategies from this new plan alternative. In this case, we'll adjust the client's retirement date to age 60. We see a live comparison between the initial plan and our plan alternative. We see from the available investments graph that reducing their retirement age by 5 years caused a deficit and reduced their retirement progress to only 83%. To compensate for this, we will also have the client downsize to a smaller home 5 years into retirement. Downsizing their home eliminated the deficit and brought their retirement progress to 116%. The available investments graph shows that our clients can retire 5 years earlier if they downsize their home. Other KPIs will also show a live comparison between the two plan alternatives. Using another example, if we wish to compare two or more plan alternatives side by side from the Comparing With drop-down, we choose Compare Multiple Plans. We then use the Select Comparisons button to add a plan alternative to the comparison screen. We can continue adding more plan alternatives to this comparison. This strategy comparison tool enables us to present multiple plan alternatives side by side so that the client can choose the plan alternative that is most suitable for their financial goals and their desired lifestyle. We can easily compare each plan's progress to the goal. With this strategy comparison tool, we can visually show our client a menu of possible plan alternatives that they can choose from. In this example, we've set up several incremental plan alternatives, where as we move from left to right, choosing a plan with a better outcome requires more commitment and sacrifice from the client. In this case, our client has chosen the middle plan, which does not require them to delay their retirement or reduce their retirement expenses. We'll close this comparison and return to the planning page. From this selected plan drop-down, we see the plan that the client has chose. Using the three-dot menu beside this plan, we can click on Make Live Plan. This will now be the plan that will generate the to-do list for ourselves and our client and will show in the final PDF report. Conquest allows you and your clients to have line of sight on various planning possibilities to solve their financial goals.